everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos, but mostly makeup videos and unboxing videos. I've been away for 2 weeks. I have some things and a big thing going on. I'm going to tell you in a couple of months. I can't tell you right now. So excited about that, but that's a huge that's the reason why I've been away for 2 weeks. Today I'm going to tint my brows. I've actually done that before, but it's been more like first impression, first time using the tint and so on. But one of those videos, well, it turned out to be very popular. So today I'm going to do an update because that was a year ago. It's been a long time. So I thought I would do it again and not a first impression. Now I'm going to show you how I do it. Yeah, that's the plan of this video. So did I mention? I don't know. We're going to use the Refectocil, okay? It's the best one I tested this far, so I just go on with it, okay? But yeah, before we start, I just really want to recommend you to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn the notifications on so you don't miss my future videos. But with that said, let's start this video. I use the Refectocil Oxidant 3%, the cream. I think they have a blue one as well, but it's more watery. I'm not completely sure, but I'm pretty sure. And of course I have the tint. I have a black one, number 1, for lashes, but I'm not going to use this today. I'm just going to use the brown, the number 3, for the brows. And I have some baby oil. I thought I would test to wash the tint off with this. A couple of these, eyebrow brush, some razors, and a tweezer. And of course, a little cup to mix the ingredients in. Okay, very practical to have. And my bottle actually broke. I have never repurchased this. I have so much left and it still works. I suppose well, it would be a good idea to buy a new one. I won't, okay? So I'm just going to drop that very carefully into this little... Oh, okay, that's too much. I'm going to drop some of that into a cotton pad because it's way too much. Now we just have a little amount. This tint, take some of that. Now you can't see. And now if we mix it, I think I take one of these for the mixing part. And I haven't plucked my brows in a couple of days. I plucked them like a week ago. I clean it up and take away the hairs and all of that after I've done the tinting. That looks good. So I take the brush, apply it. I try to apply like a pomade, but it's difficult because you get it everywhere. And I try to focus on the middle part and the ends, or the arch and the ends of the brows, because you want that to be the darkest. And then in the end, I do the inner part. It can be difficult to get these to stay where you don't have a lot of hair, because this tints the skin as well, and I want that because I have areas with no hair and I want them to be dark as well. Okay, now it's thick, okay? So I take this little guy and clean up where I don't want the tint, like that. And I continue to fill in. And I love this shade. It's very cold brown. I love that. It's not too reddish. I feel pretty satisfied with this, so I'm just going to let it sit for maybe, well, 5 minutes because it's taking me like 5 minutes to apply it. If I apply this very fast, I would leave it on for 10 minutes. In my last video, a lot of you asked me how long this will last. Sometimes it will last like a week and sometimes 10 days, 2 weeks. Of course, the first couple of days it will look the best, and then it will look, you know, softer and softer. And I mean, it depends on how much hair you have. If you mostly tint your skin, it will disappear very fast. But if you tint your actual hair, you will, well, it will last longer. Okay, so it really depends, and of course how long you let it sit. I also realized that some of my skincare creams and stuff makes it disappear faster, and yeah, so it depends on you and how you take care of your brows and what you apply on them, but around a week you can count on that. I think they're going to be dark as f in the front of the brows or the beginning of the brows. We'll see. Okay, let's remove the product from this brow. So I've just applied some baby oil on a cotton pad and we wipe it off. That actually looks really, really good. Of course, we have to trim them and pluck them, but let's remove the other brow. Okay, so this looks a lot darker than this one. Maybe I should have left this on for longer. Here I tinted the skin more, and this one I pretty much just tinted the hair, and that's because I left this on for longer than this one. If I cared more than I do, I would put more tint on this one, do it one more time, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to start to trim them and pluck them. I'm just going to take my little spoolie and brush the hair. If I brush the hair down, I don't want the hairs to go outside the line of the brow. If they do, like they do here, you see, they go too far down, I just remove it. And the same upwards. Now I take my tweezer and remove all the hair down here and all the hair that's outside of my imaginary lines. When I've plucked the worst, I take one of these razors and clean up some more. I love using this because you don't destroy anything. The hair will grow right back. Feels like it's healthier than just plucking everything, destroying everything, making it harder to grow back if you want to have big brows all of a sudden and so on. I don't want to destroy my hair growth. I'm so red. Let's take some bronzer. I'm still red, but this is pretty much the end result. They're a bit uneven, but they're brows, they're sisters, not twins. It will look weird if they're identical. This is so nice for this summer when you want to go to the beach or something. You don't want to apply makeup because you're going for a swim and you're going to just have fun. You don't want to wear makeup to the beach. Come on. And like I said, it's like a cold brown. So I hate this. What is this? Annoying, right? Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn the notifications on so you don't miss my future videos. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye!